Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope I have a quick one today. Today we're going to be changing a coil, since it's missing the top part, for the spark plug on this Stihl BR350 backpack blower. New coil. Should be a pretty short video if everything goes right. That's what we're hoping for. Everything to go nice and beautiful in this repair. So we're going to start off by taking off the recoil. We got 3 T25s. Oh, and by the way, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like too. And I'll have a link to where you can find this coil for the Stihl BR350 and I think a few others. So T25, we have 3 of them. I know a lot of people in the comments are going to be like, it's a T27. Well, the T25 works just as well. And we'll keep all 3 inside the recoil and put it aside. Now we have to take off the shell. So much as I wish we could just get in here and take this off, we have to take the shell off. So T25 again. Let's bust out the magnet tray so we don't lose none of these, because that's what we'd want, is to lose some of these. And I think we got one more buried deep back there. So for that one, we'll use the screwdriver. Since I don't have those long bits. Okay, now, since we remove those, this thing should just pop right off. But like I said, something's going to go wrong and make this harder than it needs to be. There we go. Came off like a champ. Okay, now that we're in here, get a nice good look on me removing this coil, which is going to be right here. So we're going to just take this off and slide this off and that down. Now we're going to go start by this one, magnetic tray, and this one. Now the coil is going to come right off. Now from here we're going to disconnect this wire. And there's our old coil. And we just, since, oh, maybe I'll keep it, maybe not, but for now, throw that out of the way. New coil, shiny and new. We're going to keep the heat shield down low. We're going to slap it up in here. We're going to clip it into that clip and clip it into this clip. Oh, not this clip just yet. And my dogs are going crazy like always. So now from here we're going to slide this piece back on and put it in here, and then put this piece over this for the ground, and hand thread the 2 bolts in first. Oh, move the magnet over. Okay, there's that one. There's that one. Give it a quick tightening, nothing too tight. Okay, now, as you can see, it's hitting. So now what you do is you take a business card. We're going to put it on the coil. We're going to swing the magnet up. You can hear it tearing into that card there. Was on a heavy stroke there. Now we're going to loosen this up. That part's not magnetic. Only one part of this is. That's fine. Let that suck up to it. Now from there, we're going to tighten it in. Now we can remove the business card. And double check. Look at that. That's a perfect gap there. Now we can clip this in where we need to clip it in. And that should go on just like that when the cover's back on. So for now we'll leave it off. And I'm hoping we just put this cover on and it works. Okay guys, so now that we got that cover back on, we're going to put the bolts back in. So T25 back in. I already tightened the bottom one. And I'm praying that this thing is just going to start right up. So pretty self-explanatory to put the recoil back on. Just follow the grooves. Might have to move this a little bit. There we go. Give that a good tightening, all three. 1, 2, and 3. Check it. Okay. I'm going to prime it up. We're going to put it down. We're going to see if she starts. There you have it, guys. How to change a coil on a Stihl BR350. This works with the 4, the 450, and the 5 and 550 as well. So, the coil here, I'm going to put a nice link to Amazon for a nice aftermarket coil. Plus, it has prime. Can't beat that. So, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want to see something else record. Now, you know what time it is? It's time to go get paid. Thank you guys for watching.